Exporting events from Oribi to Facebook and Instagram ads is a powerful capability. It will help you to create better lookalike audiences, choose the right ad set objective, and reduce cost of retargeting campaigns. Now, what if I told you that you can do all of that without writing a single line of code? It only takes 2 minutes. Let's do it together. Start by pinning any event you'd like. You can select any button on your website by the label that appears on it or by the link it refers to. You can apply different rules, such as only buttons on specific pages. You can also expand your pinned event and create a group of buttons or other actions. This way, you can define every significant event on your website, such as sign up, purchase, request a demo, or whatever else is important for your site. Note that all of the events are dynamic, so that when you add new buttons and links to your website, if they fall under the pinned event definition, Oribi will automatically add these new additions to the pinned event and will export them as well. It will save you tons of time on maintenance. One less thing to worry about. Now, let's log into Facebook. Go to Settings, Ecosystem, and click on Login with Facebook. After you log in, choose your ad account. You can either use the same account for all the domains in this ecosystem or choose a different ad account for each domain. You'll only have to do this step once, of course. Now, go to the Manage Pinned Events section and look for the event you pinned. Click on Export and select Facebook. You're asked to fill in the display name. The display name will set how the event is going to appear on Facebook. You can use the original name or modify it if you'd like. By the way, another cool capability is importing events from Google Analytics and exporting them to Facebook. If you've defined custom events on Google Analytics, you can go to the Import Event section, import them to Oribi, and then export them to Facebook. That's it on Oribi's side. Now let's go to Facebook. Go to your Business Manager, click on Events Manager, select your main pixel. Over here you can see all of the events you have on your ad account, including the event sent from Oribi. If you don't see the event yet, it could be for one of two reasons. The first one is that Facebook events are not updated in real time, so it might take up to an hour for this data to appear here. The second reason depends on your website traffic. The first event from Oribi will be exported to Facebook only after it is performed for the first time. If you picked an event which is not frequently performed by your visitors, this might take some time. Of course, you can always click it yourself just to make sure that it works. That's it. It's working. You can click on Create Audience and pick Custom Audience. Choose From Your Events and select the event you exported from Oribi. You can now create lookalike and custom audiences based on this event. The Custom Conversion option will enable you to define the exported event as a custom conversion and use it later on as an objective for your ad sets. It will guide Facebook's algorithm on which people to target and will lead to much better results. Go to Oribi.io, start exporting events and optimizing your Facebook campaigns.